Hey, welcome back to another episode of Then We Eat. On this week's episode, we'll be making dill pickle chicken fingers. So stay tuned. Just before we get going, maybe you could do us a favor. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you could subscribe to the channel, it would really help. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're updated every time we upload a new video, which is normally Friday afternoons. So, let's get cooking. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make up a sauce for the chicken. We're gonna make it with a little honey, mayonnaise, and some dill weed. So first thing we're gonna add is we're gonna add about 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. And we'll add about 1/4 of a cup of honey. Oh man, this smells so good. And a tablespoon of the dill weed. Give this a little stir. Sauce is done. Let's get these into the fridge. We'll let it marinate a bit. Tastes much better if it sits for half an hour or so. Okay, next up is the chicken. So we've gone ahead and prior to starting the video, I've cut the chicken into about 1-inch pieces. And then I've put them in 1 cup of pickle juice. For us, pickle juice isn't a big deal. We make pickles every year. We eat hundreds and hundreds of dill pickles in a year, so we always have some extra juice around. So that's why this recipe, we thought we'd give it a shot, see if we can't use up the juice for another purpose. Okay, so if you want to see the pickle video, you can check up here, and the link will be over my shoulder. So first thing we're gonna do, let's drain these off. Okay, so this chicken's been marinating for about an hour. You can kind of see that it's starting to turn white around the edges. What the pickle juice is doing is tenderizing the chicken a bit, so that's a good thing. If you want to leave it a little longer, you're welcome to. I wouldn't go any more than 2 hours though. Okay, so the first thing we add is, I've got a cup of breadcrumbs here. I'm gonna start with 1/2 cup. If we need more, we can always add it. So we'll start with that. And I have 3.5 ounces of dill pickle chips. I'm gonna start with that again. I do have more if I need them. We'll just see how far this makes us on the chicken we have. So we're gonna crush these down, smash them up, nice and fine like breadcrumbs. Okay, so that's about what I've crushed them up to. If you want them a little finer, you can go ahead and do it. I've had enough. Dump those in, give it a little mix. Grab a couple eggs. Give those a bit of a whisk. And then we're just gonna dry our chicken off. A couple of paper towels. Just give those a little pat dry. So while I'm doing this, I've got the air fryer heating up. It's heating to 400 degrees. You want to heat it up prior to, because they do take a bit of time to heat up. So, but we're ready to go. So let's get these nice and coated. We're going to put it in the egg first, then into the breadcrumb and chip mixture. Then we'll give them another toss in the egg. And one more toss in the breadcrumbs. One down. Let's keep going. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it before or not, but we have a pound of chicken here. These are chicken breasts. Okay, so our air fryer's up to temperature. We're gonna add some chicken in. Don't overfill it. You're better off to do a couple of batches than you are to jam them all in all at once. So we'll get a few in here. Just give them a bit of a spritz of oil. This will just help it brown them up a bit in the air fryer. You could do these in a regular deep fryer as well. Okay, so we're gonna put these on between 15 and 20 minutes. About halfway through, we're gonna flip them over. So let's get her done. Okay, so first batch of these are done. They've been in the air fryer for about 12 minutes or so. I flipped them partway through. So we'll just take these out. Let me get this air fryer out of the way. We'll be back in a minute and plate something up. There you have it. Dill pickle, chicken tenders done in the air fryer. Cooked up really nice. They smell really good. So let's give them a taste, see what they taste like. Chicken's cooked perfectly. Very tasty. Lots of dill flavor. Yep, very, very good. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video like we said at the beginning. And also, if you have a comment, leave it down below. We try to answer every comment within a few hours of the video being released. And we always love to see what you have to say. So, don't forget, first we cook, then we eat. Dill pickle.